Ibovan. Today our question 2014 trigonometry. That is part A, small question, right? Let tan alpha minus 1 and tan beta 1 divide root 5, where alpha divide 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi, that is fourth quadrant, right? And beta pi by 2 within pi by 2 and pi, that is second quadrant, right? Think about quadrant first, right? Here 0 or 2 pi, and here 90, that is pi by 2, here pi, and here 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Now alpha, where's the alpha? 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Here, think about here, and this is the alpha, right? This is the alpha. Another one, beta pi by 2 and pi. Think about beta, and this is beta pi by 2 and pi, within pi by 2 and pi, right? Alpha is like that, beta is like that, right? You have to identify these things, this question, right? So many people take wrong answer, right? Because of that, they can't identify what is that, right? Now, tan alpha equal minus 1, right? Here minus 1, right? Here tan minus. What about cos? What about cos? Fourth quadrant cos. Cos alpha. No, we have to take alpha, no? Therefore, alpha equal, what is that? Here pi by 4, here 3 pi by 4, here 5 pi by 4, and here 7 pi by 4, right? 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4, right? Alpha is 7 pi by 4. Then you can take sine, cos, everything, okay? Then sine alpha, sine 7 pi by 4, what is that? Minus 1 divide root 2, cos 7 pi by 4, 1 divide, that is positive, root 2, right? Fourth quadrant, cos is positive, that is tan alpha. Now, given that sine beta given that 1 divide root 5, 1 divide root 5, that is second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is minus. Then we have take 1 divide root 5. We can take the triangle like this, right? Think about beta here. This one here root 5, here root 5, and this one is 2. Then we can take cos beta. Cos beta 2 divide root 5. But here minus. Why? That is second quadrant. That is second quadrant. Then we can take that is minus, right? They are asking cos alpha plus beta. They are asking find the value of cos alpha plus beta, right? Normal student starting here, right? Cos alpha plus beta, right? They are using all the plus values, right? Then they can't take the real answer, right? Here cos alpha, cos beta minus sine alpha, sine beta. Now we know that cos alpha, right? Cos alpha is this one here. 1 divide root 2. 1 divide root 2. What is the cos beta here? Minus 2 divide root 5. Right? Minus sine alpha. Sine alpha is minus, here minus 1 divide root 2. Sine beta is 1 divide root 5. Then you can take the answer root 10. Root 10 common. Right? Here minus 2 and here minus minus plus. Plus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 divide root 10. That is the answer. Right? Here complete theory is this one, right? Question is here, right? Not here, right? They are asking this one, but question is here, right? This is the method, and normally using this one. Normally students doing like this without these minuses, then they can take the answers like that, 3 over root 10, like that, right? Normally most of students take 3 over root 10, 2 over root 10, like that, right? Not minus 1 over root 10. They can't get that answer, right? Because of that, here normally you know that this is the first quadrant, this one second quadrant, this one third quadrant, this one fourth quadrant. Here all sine, cos, tan, everything plus. Here sine only plus, here tan only plus, here cos only plus, right? Everything. This is the basic theory, right? Very basic theory, right? From the starting trigonometry, explain this one, right? This is the basic theory, most basic theory, this one, right? Normally student missing this theory, right? Right. Then please subscribe our channel, right? Then you can take notifications, right? We are trying to most of questions, more than 300, like that. Then you can take the past paper questions, how to do the past papers, like that, right? What is the real method, and according to the new syllabus, right? Then you can take the notification. Okay, keep in mind, subscribe. Ayubowan.